What's up, guys? It's Techno Viking 23 coming to you from beautiful North Carolina. It is November 23rd. I'm super stoked today. We are actually getting out to go skiing before Thanksgiving week, which is pretty crazy. We actually had a really lucky bout of weather here in the North Carolina mountains in the mid-Atlantic. We got a big dump of snow this past week. I know West Virginia got hit pretty good too, but unfortunately nowhere in West Virginia seems to be open yet. Even Snowshoe and Timberline were unable to get their snow guns going. We're not able to get open this week. But out of nowhere, Cataloochee was like, we're going to open up on Saturday for opening day, 8:30 a.m. sharp. We're going to have it open from top to bottom. I know Sugar Mountain was open yesterday in North Carolina, so North Carolina is winning the race right now on the East Coast and in the Mid-Atlantic. I know some of you guys up in the Northeast are having a blast right now up in Vermont, but we're gonna do what we can do here down on the slush coast is what we call it sometimes. But we're gonna get out today, hit it up for the first day, opening day of Mid-Atlantic ski season. I'm really looking forward to it. I can't wait to get up there. I'm hoping they have a little bit more than their usual open in Cataloochee. Sometimes they have a hard time having more than 6 or 7 trails open. We haven't been able to get up there when they've had more than 7 trails open, but they'll at least have their main diamond open from up top, so we should be able to at least enjoy that. And the goal today is just to have fun. It's the first day of the season, see kind of where we are with our fitness and everything else, and just get out there and kind of get it going and get warmed up and ready to go for what's looking to be a pretty good season. So I will catch you guys on the mountain here in a little bit. We're going to have a great day. How's it going?
Good, about yourself?
That was great, man. First day of the season.
Oh yeah. So happy we're back up.
Oh yeah.
You're doing good.